Imagine this world without no ganja.
Even them use it too behind closed doors.
Not enough people favorite talk about that topic about to come on to backyard TV. We not hide it.
Smoke it from me young.
So, how you run and you feel? I don't feel a foot.
Feel the bench on my dip and start spin.
I was running and I wasn't going nowhere when I was running.
It's the meditation I get.
They might just use it to get by every day because of all of the bull that's happening around.
You said nerd or herd man? I prefer nerd.
The whole of my youth, them a ganja baby. Them for know that, is it?
Jam, because when I burn my weed and
The most purest form of ganja.
Do you think marijuana should be legalized?
And never again in my life.
Because twist up my jaw about that, them for know, you see?
Or it's a habit. Therefore, it's abuse.
You can't smoke weed and your belly hungry.
It's not good for them. I don't care.
For I run up and down the avenue back and forth. Light that loud.
But I want to make Bob Marley turn and grave tonight, yeah.
I don't care. I don't want to eat no ganja, alright?
Clinton, him not inhale the thing. Him just have, you know what I say?
When me not burn my ganja, war me I start a road. Mix the callaloo with ganja.
From me use cigar hospital every week.
Yeah.
No joke.
We there at the backyard. And we see somebody run past the gate.
The man burn the weed and knock out my couch, can't move. So she said she was running
I'm not going nowhere.
and not going nowhere. Everything, like you never like bling laugh. Everything.
Oh, my bed has spin and print a bed, nah spin.
I have to make sure I have my sweet sugar and water on my bread.
This is my first time, don't lean on the wall. We in the hallway.
You know, see this picnic fly coming at us. Now I'm off for the food and got straight on them bed.
No, so I think every time you guys light up, you're actually making yourselves a little bit more retarded.
But smoke so much weed, I not even remember the first time I burn the weed. That's one of the effects of smoking weed. But, I mean, yeah.
Prettiest girl in the world. Yeah. Prettiest girl in the world. 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 Every man a talk about you properly sort out, living the good life. Your future mark out. So me girl just walk out from a you. Every man a talk about